Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by cutting power and grounding yourself to prevent static damage. Once done, unplug cables and remove the case side panel. You want clear access. Unscrew the VGA card bracket and gently unlatch the PCIe clip while supporting the card's weight. Use a photo or notes to track each screw and connector. That saves time when reassembling. Do these steps deliberately because a rushed removal risks bending the PCB or snapping a delicate connector. You'll now remove dust buildup from fans, heatsink, and PCB. Use short 1-2 second compressed air bursts to avoid spinning fans too fast. Hold fan blades to stop rotation. Brush away packed dust from fins and corners, then clean connector pins and small crevices with a cotton swab lightly dampened with 90% plus isopropyl. This evaporates fast and leaves no residue. If you remove the shroud, note screw locations. Avoid pouring liquids and never soak the board. Controlled, minimal contact is key. You're ready to reassemble. If you remove the heatsink, clean the GPU die with isopropyl and apply a pea-sized drop of thermal paste before seating the cooler. Even spread happens on installation. Reinstall the card into the PCIe slot, press evenly until the clip engages, and tighten bracket screws. Reconnect display and power, then boot and monitor temps. If the system shows no display, reseat the card and power leads. Try another slot or cable, and test.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.